This video is sponsored by Wix Filters, manufacturers of filters for automobiles, trucks, off-road equipment, and manufacturing applications. Go to wixfilters.com for more information.
Hi, and welcome to Rollin' with the Numbers, where we give tire dealers information to keep their tire businesses rolling, with research conducted with our independent tire dealer audience.
That's right, and this week, we're going to have a little fun.
Oh God, oh no, David, what does that mean?
No, Maddie, no, it's actually going to be fun. So I set up a game for us to play with some help from our wonderful camera operator, Crystal.
Hi.
On this episode, we're going to guess which ways seem to be leading to success the most for our independent tire dealer audience. So Crystal is going to give us a premise, and we're going to guess what more independent tire dealers are doing with that premise based on our recent surveys. And whoever gets the most right gets to wear a special crown of tire tenacity at the end.
That sounds like fun. Okay, I'm in.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Round one.
The topic is community involvement. How are more tire dealers getting involved? Donating their services or sponsoring youth sports?
David, what do you think?
I'm going to go with donating their services.
Why do you think that?
It makes more sense to me. I mean, they're already doing these things. They've already got their staff and everything, and it kind of shows them. It allows them to show off what they're already doing. You know, it's just good marketing.
Yeah, I guess, but nothing replaces brand recognition, you know? And like when you're sponsoring a youth sporting league, whatever sport it might be, you know, you see that company's name, whatever tire shop, and you know, not only is it brand recognition for the parents, but when the kids grow up, they're gonna remember, oh, that tire shop sponsored our team, or we had that logo on our shirt, or whatever. You know what I mean?
Okay, no, you're starting to convince me, but yeah, I'm gonna stick with it because I think it's just easier. You've already got it all set up. You don't have to create those marketing materials and everything. No, I'm locking it in. I have locked it in.
I am locking sponsoring youth sports.
Donating services, I'm locking it in. Again.
All right. Maddie is correct. 51% of respondents sponsor youth sports, and 46% say they donate their services.
Damn. These are hard.
David, you made the questions.
Round two. Yeah, I know. I just didn't think they'd be that hard.
Okay, the second topic is Facebook paid advertising. From those who say they use paid Facebook advertising, do more dealers typically spend less than $100 a month or $400 or more a month? And I'll add that only 20% of respondents say that they do any sort of paid advertising on Facebook.
Interesting. I think it's less. They spend less than $100 on Facebook paid advertising.
I was going to say the opposite, $400 or more. Yeah, because think about it. Crystal said 20%. It was 20% of dealers are spending the money on Facebook. So if you're going to do that, you might as well go all in. You might as well go all in with it. You don't need the other marketing.
Hear me out. No. But here's the thing. Tire dealers, what if they want to spend more money on another social media platform like Instagram or YouTube or whatever? And we did learn last episode that word of mouth is the number one way tire dealers attract and retain customers. So not all of their marketing is going into one social media platform.
Yeah.
Like, they gotta spread the love, right?
But consider this. Facebook, they have reporting, they have metrics. I don't know if you've heard of metrics, but they've got the metrics. And, you don't have to spread yourself so thin where you're keeping track of, 6 different platforms. You got one. $400 or more a month. I'm locking it in.
I don't agree. I'm saying less than $100 a month on Facebook advertising. There's more ways to advertise out there. I'm locking in less than $100.
It's okay to be wrong.
Well, Maddie is correct. 40% of respondents who use paid Facebook advertising spend less than $100 per month, while only 27% say they spend $400 or more per month.
Damn.
It makes sense to spread out your marketing options. I mean, these days, a lot of consumers aren't even on Facebook, but they might be more interested in other social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube.
Round 3.
All right, guys, here's round 3. According to our survey, what type of businesses do most independent tire dealers feel is their closest competitor? Is it discount retailers and chain stores like Pep Boys and Monroe? Is it internet sales like Tire Rack and Amazon? Or is it other independent dealers?
Internet.
Interesting. Really?
It's internet.
What? What do you think that? You're
I'm
like
100%.
so sure.
Yeah,
I mean,
I
come
am.
on.
I am. I mean, it's the internet. They have everything. You're gonna go on there. It's 3 a.m. You need tires. You're hopping on the internet and you're buying tires.
You're buying tires at 3 a.m.
Yes, you're buying tires at 3 a.m. I would.
Huh.
I've considered it.
I would not. All right. Well, here's what I think. I think it's other independent tire dealers that tire dealers have as their most fierce competition, because I would be more worried about the guy down the street in my town, in my city, or whatever, and what they're doing for, customer service, for pricing. What are you doing, David?
I'm buying tires on my phone. Sorry. Go ahead.
geez.
Keep going.
Anyway, the other reason I think independent tire dealers are most concerned about their own being their own competition, their other competition, is because independent tire dealers make up 60% of the tire retail channel. That's a huge percent. Like, I'm going to be worried about what they're doing as opposed to the other 40%, right?
That's honestly a good point. I hadn't thought of the 60% thing, but I mean, the internet, it's too massive. I'm locking it in. I'm locking in internet.
You're very confident.
I am.
I'm locking in other independent tire dealers. So. We'll see.
Locked in.
And the answer is, drumroll please, independent dealers. In second place ranks internet sales, and discount retails and chain stores rank third.
Damn.
No, David, not damn. I mean, this is the best possible spot for dealers to be in. Their closest competition is their peers. Those who took our survey added that they feel this way because independent tire dealers have a high level of service and typically have a great established rapport with their community.
I underestimated the power of the independent tire dealer.
Got that right. And those who took our survey explained how they compete against their fellow independent dealer, and they do it exactly how you'd expect. When we asked how they do it, we got comments like giving honest, reliable service, doing honest quality work, providing the best service available, and excellent professionalism.
It's never taking a day off.
Guys, we're forgetting about something. Maddie got all 3 right, and David, you somehow got 0 right.
Hey man, this is awesome for me. I'm excited.
And so, we would like to present you
Yes! Oh,
with the crown of tire tenacity.
thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Excellent work. Well deserved.
Thank you.
So for more business intelligence data to help boost tire dealer profitability, be sure to watch out for our next episode of Rolling with the Numbers. If you subscribe to our newsletter, it's in there, so look out for it. Until next time,
Keep on rolling.